Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. And for those of you who are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And I'll be posting it twice a week. Now I'm on a roll. 2019 is gonna be my year. I am on it this year, so these videos are gonna keep coming. I'm gonna try it twice a week, if not at least one time. So bear with me. I'm very proud of myself. I've been doing so good so far. Today's video is going to be a first impressions try on with the new Fenty beauty products, the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Concealer and Pro Filt'r Powder. So this is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Concealer, Instant Retouch Concealer. I got the shade 130. Oh my gosh, it has so many shades, like so many. It was hard to choose from because there were so many different light ones with pink undertone, yellow undertones, neutral ones. So it was really hard to pick my shade. But I picked up 130. I felt it was a little bit matchy. I felt like it matched. And then I got the Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch Setting Powder. I got in the shade Butter. And this is the packaging. I'm so excited. Okay, first let me prep my face. I picked up this I picked up the SMASHBOX Photo Finish Primerizer, which is a primer and moisturizer in one. So there's so many good things about this one. So I got the sample size, which is this one right here. I have dry skin, so anything that moisturizes, I'm good with it. I'm gonna shake it really good. And then let's pump it up. Got my eyebrow. But I need all the moisture. Alright, now I got my shirt. Great. So this is supposed to moisturize and prime all in one. Oh, it feels so hydrating. Which is nice. That's what I need, especially with this new stuff that I'm gonna try out. I'm not sure if it's for dry skin, oily skin. I am normal to dry. I actually want more of that. It feels nice. Like my skin just soaked it all up. Now I understand why you guys rave about this product. Okay, now my skin is moisturized, primed. I am going to be going in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in Peach Corrector. I like to do this under my eyes. I just been doing this step for a long time, so I just keep doing it. Even though I don't have super dark circles, I have some. And my hair is a crazy mess, but we're dealing with it. And I'm gonna take my e.l.f. sponge. My e.l.f. sponge that my girls Evelyn and RIHANNA got me hooked on. Okay, now I am ready for my foundation, which I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Foundation, which is going to go perfect for these products. So I'm going to pump this out. This shade's a little too dark for me, but I make it work. And then I'm going to be taking my Luxie Beauty Round Top Blender. This is a 532. I love this one for foundation. I hate it when I have to get it on my hair. What is your guys' favorite concealer? What is your guys' favorite foundation brush or applicator you guys like to use? Let me know in the comments. I like to try out new things for my foundation. I am hooked on this and the e.l.f. sponge currently. Alright, we're full coverage. A little bit right here. Got it. Okay. Now for the test of the concealer. So this is the Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch Concealer. It's for Longwear, light as air, and crease proof. Good, we're going to be trying that out today. So here it is. This is the packaging right here, which I love. Same, but a mini. Okay. Let's open this baby up. This is what the applicator looks like. I love it, nice and thin. And let's do this. It feels nice and smooth. It's just one side of the concealer, the applicator. Look at that, just one. I mean, I don't know if it dries fast, but I'm gonna work with it right now. I'm gonna use my e.l.f. sponge, blend it out. I might have put too much, but you know what, will work. Okay. Blend it, blend it. And wow, I've like blended really nice, like faded away. Whoa. Can you guys tell the difference? Concealer, no concealer? Alright, let me zoom in. Pretty good. Let me do the other side. It like melted away. It was really easy to blend, which I love. It's supposed to be crease proof, so we are going to test it out today. I'm not gonna do anything crazy today, just clean and then grocery shop. So that'd be fun. Okay, so both eyes have the concealer. It blended really nice. My first impressions, like everybody says. It blended really nice under my eyes. It like, I felt like it melted away, like you can't even tell I have any concealer on. I mean, so far so good. I like the way it blended. You know what? I like a little more full coverage, so I'm gonna add a little more on this side too. And see if it dries fast. I see everybody doing that. I'm gonna do that. Blend it out. Girl, no, I want like to contour with this. I should go on a contour. It blends out like, what blends out nice? Oh yeah, okay. I get that second coat, brightened it up a lot more. I'm just trying out different things, guys, to see. Definitely build a bowl. So it made it a little brighter, a little, added more coverage. Maybe I need a darker, no, I liked my under eyes bright. It blends out so nice. Like melts away. Okay. Whoa. That's bright. Bright, 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 which is fine with me. Okay. Now we're going to set our under eyes, and I'm going to be using the Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch setting powder. So this is the second one, not lavender. The first one's lavender for brightening, and this is just the regular setting powder, instant retouch setting powder. I got it in butter. So look at the packaging. I love the packaging. Ooh, backwards. Look at that. It's so cute, and it's big. It says 0.98 ounces. You know what? Let me get my Huda Beauty powder. Okay, so this is my Huda Beauty powder, and this one is 0.71 ounces. So this one has a lot more. This one is $36, and this one I have no idea. I have to check. But there's her logo right there. Let's open this bad boy up. I'm gonna get all of my black shirt. We have stuff on my black shirt. Okay, let's close it up before. Oh, it says no creasing, so. So look at, can you guys see the powder? Oh man. Alright, so I'm going to use the Morphe M36 brush. I'm going to set that to my under eyes. It smells pretty. Not too strong either. At first I was like, whoa, but then it goes away. I smell it. I can't smell it on the package, but when I put it on, I can smell it. Or is it just a brush? I have no idea. I'm tripping. Okay, one with the brush and one with the sponge. Oh girl. Next I'm going to set my whole face. Same powder with my Sigma large powder brush. Whew, definitely have it all over the place. Okay, so I set my face with it. I love the way I set my face. It doesn't feel drying at all, which I love for my dry skin. So far, so good. And I set my under eyes with it, and it doesn't feel drying at all, which is a plus. So let's see how this concealer and this powder last me throughout the day. I'm going to finish my whole face, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with my face. I did my full face. I loved the way these applied. I love the way it feels. It doesn't feel drying, which I have really dry skin, so the powder did not dry out my face, did not dry on my under eye like some powders do. The concealer is creasing, but I always crease anyways. Maybe this is too light of a shade for me because you can still see my circles, dark circles a little bit. But I love the way it blended. It blended like no other concealer has ever blended. I mean, I'm obsessed. Maybe I should just get just a different color. But I mean, that's my first impressions. So I'm gonna go through the day, check in, and see how my makeup lasts without touching up. Right now it is 2:37. I already had it on for like an hour, I should say, just an hour, because I did my full face and then I got distracted with my kids. But I'll keep you guys posted, and then I'll do some check-ins. See you guys next time. So if you guys want to see how I applied all these goodies and then show you guys my first impressions, just keep on watching. Okay, I'm back. It's the end of the day. I'm tired. I want to take off this thing. It's hurting my head. Okay, so this is my face after having it on for 8 hours. I did not touch up. Look how shiny my forehead is. It's not as shiny as it always is, but still not shiny. Even setting it with the powder. Okay, under eyes did crease. Maybe I need to hydrate a lot more, I'm not sure, but they did crease, so it says creaseless. I do have some creasing under my eyes. Let me go in closer. Yeah, like it did crease like a lot, and it's coming off in between the lines. Right here, of course, with my glasses. You guys know I wear my glasses. And then my smile lines. Can you guys see my smile lines? They did crease right there, which with a Huda Beauty, they don't crease. So, I mean, it's not that bad. So it's not that bad. I mean, I can deal with it. I did a run around today. My makeup still looks good, I think. So, for concealer, Beauty Box or Toss, it is in between until I get another shade. It's still not a Beauty Box or still not a Toss. I am in the middle, more towards my Beauty Box because I love the way it blended, but I just maybe need a little darker shade because I can still see my dark circles. Like, I didn't cover it that good. It's too light. As for the powder, definitely a Beauty Box. I love the way it set my face, even though it's creasing a little more right here, my smile lines, but not too bad. And it set my under eyes pretty good without drying, set my face without drying, so this one I'm definitely going to be on my Beauty Box. So those are my opinion on these new Fenty Beauty products. Let me know if you got yours, and let me know how it went for you. So that's it for this first impressions review check-in video. I don't know how to call it, Beauty Box or Toss check-in first impressions. I don't know, I'm tired. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.